This video is on the lowepro protactic BP 350 AW Mark II. This is just a small photography bag which is just the right size for GoPro equipment. On the outside we have webbing straps that you can connect different things to if you wanted to. The top pocket is reasonably sturdy, and that gives you access into the top with a memory card pocket here and also a zip pocket down behind it. On the top is where I have it set up for a small GoPro tripod, and it's also where I actually put the GoPro for quick access. On the side we have a small pocket for bits and bobs and also a key holder. This lower pocket is a side access pocket if you wanted to have a side access. This is where I also keep another one of the GoPro handles. Coming round to the back, we have a nice carry strap on the top. We have a strap on the back that you can put it over the top of your trolleys. In theory it's got an active air zone area, which just means that if your jacket's not filling it up it lets some air through, but I've never actually found they work. It did come with a waist belt, but I've taken it off as this is only a small bag and all I really want is the chest loops. On the other side we have another small access pocket and another side access into the bag. The nice thing is this bag is rear entry, so when you put it on the ground you're putting the front on the ground so it's not getting muddy on the back. When you open her up you have a big pocket which goes in, which you can carry your iPad or a small laptop in. You then have two see-through pockets for carrying small items that you can see where they're stored. With the layout you can change the layout to anything you want. I've actually added in some extra Velcro straps, so because I only want them for small items and not for big items. There's enough room to carry the bag that the GoPro Hero 9 comes in, another Vito pack bag which I keep all my small accessories in, and then there's enough room inside it for carrying any of the add-on extras that you need with your GoPro. In the bottom of the bag it also comes with a rain cover that you can pull out and put over the top of your bag. And on the straps it has a couple of D handles that you can clip different items onto as well. This is just a quick overview to show you the size of the bag, and it's just the right size for GoPro equipment. Thank you for watching.